The oceans around the globe contain great mysteries within their depths that can freak us out. One of them is the tale of the Coral Triangle, and it is a story about the strong nature of ocean ecology of Southeast Asia. Nevertheless, it is obviously different from its similar namesake, the Bermuda Triangle, an area steeped in mystery and dark superstition. There is no relationship between the two. Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Today I am here to tell you about where the Coral Triangle is and what amazing things you will find there. Located in the deep volcanic central Indo-Pacific Ocean, the Coral Triangle is a region of unmatched richness, beauty and biological importance. The Coral Triangle is an enormous and massive network of coral reefs that can occupy the waters surrounding countries like the Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands and Timor-Leste. Fish of all shapes and colors dash in and out of the abyss created by the stunning forms of corals, colorful sponges and other reef-building organisms. Geologically, the Coral Triangle covers two biogeographic areas, that is the far southwestern Pacific region and the Indonesian Philippines region. It is popularly recognized as the Amazon of the ocean. This expansive underwater ecosystem in the Southeast Asia is a hotspot for marine biodiversity, hosting 30% of the world's coral reefs that span 6 million square kilometers. Corals are remarkable animals capable of creating vast structures. Surprisingly, corals are living colonies of tiny tube-like animals called polyps. The individuals of some species are just 3 millimeters long. All polyp has a mouth surrounded by the tentacles and is usually arranged with a six-fold symmetry. The Coral Triangle in Southeast Asia is the most diverse place in the ocean. Similar to the Amazon rainforest in comparison to the other forest regions, the Coral Triangle is also a home to the diversity found nowhere else in the reef system. We can say that it is an almighty oceanic nursery, recognized, visited and supported by its astonishing tapestry of coral species and rich fabric of marine diversity. Magically, it sustains more coral reef species than any other place on the planet, a high number of marine turtle species, thousands of the coral reef fish species, not to mention livelihoods of over 100 million people. There is nowhere quite like a Coral Triangle for wildlife. A technicolor underwater rainforest with the shockingly vivid pink of the corals, electric blues, fiery oranges and acid greens of the fish, all set against crystalline turquoise background of the ocean. The Coral Triangle is made up of the seas and islands of 6 countries. Furthermore, the Coral Triangle, which is junction of the Indian and Pacific Ocean, harbors the greatest biodiversity of marine life on the planet. Hence, we can say that the Coral Triangle is so diverse because of the overlap or accumulation of fauna from the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The Coral Triangle region is identified for its biodiversity as evidenced by the multitude of organisms living in this section of the house reef. It is home to an incredible variety that includes 75% of the world's coral species and more than 2,000 fish species. The biological and environmental diversity is driven by the volcanically active and complex geology of the alleged Ring of Fire. Habitats range from the underwater slopes of the volcanic black sand to extensive coral reefs. It is home to 6 of the world's 7 species of the marine turtle and blue whales, sperm whales, dolphins and dugongs. It contains more than 76% of the world's shallow water reef building coral species, 37% of the reef fish species, 50% of its razor clam species, 6 out of 7 of the world's sea turtle species, and world's largest mangrove forest. You will be amazed to witness this forest's large area and extraordinary range of habitats. The environmental conditions have played a major role in maintaining the staggering biodiversity of the Coral Triangle. Here, the coral reefs have high levels of biodiversity because of their abundant microhabitats, high levels of nutrients, and high levels of sunlight. Sadly, there are environmental issues that threaten the Coral Triangle. Human greed is the primary cause of ecological degradation in the area. Moreover, overexploitation and destruction of its marine ecosystem also have adverse anthropogenic consequences. Overfishing and vicious fishing methods harm the fragile reefs and destroy fish and other aquatic populations in the Coral Triangle. Ocean acidification and the resulting coral bleaching are the most pronounced impacts of the climate change. While clearly exposed to increasing global threats such as climate change, pollution, and overfishing, the Coral Triangle currently features some of the richest coral reefs in the world. Remarkably, many of the coral reefs that are blossoming in the area live in the darker, muddier waters than their tropical counterparts. Still, these reefs appear to be able to survive changing conditions. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News.